Council looks after about 725 kilometres of paved road and about 20 kilometres of dirt road, which is roughly the same as driving from here to the back of Burke. Now that's a fair chunk of road, so Council does its best to look after the roads, fill the potholes, because hey, we all know how painful it is to spill a load of coffee in your lap. When considering a road for maintenance, the first thing we look at is how old the road is, whether or not it's safe to use, and also how many people actually use the road.
Mate, you wet yourself.
I may have. Anyway, Council usually, to start with, simply fills the potholes.
Potholes, yeah mate, they're only a temporary fix. What we do is they keep resurfacing, we come in and do a heavy patch. If that keeps on happening, what we do then, we do a full rehab. Full rehab of the road.
Full rehab of the road.
That's it.
A reseal is undertaken for minor repairs and is literally a coat of bitumen over the top of the surface. A rehabilitation fixes more significant damage and involves adding gravel or additives to a pavement section and then sealing it. And finally, a reconstruction occurs when the road is too worn to reseal or rehab, so the road base and its surface needs to be completely rebuilt and sealed. The typical lifespan of a road is around 40 years, but during this time, Council will plan proactive roadworks to help prolong the life of our local roads. Oh yeah. Yep. Whew. Wow, ain't she a beauty? She's hard, she's flat, absolutely no cracks. Perfect for a bit of street cricket. As you can see, there's more to road maintenance than you might think. For more information about Council's road maintenance program, connect with Council online.